Hello and welcome back my team Cyber Army. I hope you are doing well and you have completed your basic training of web security. And if you are watching this particular video, that means you have completed all the previous videos and you are keen and you are willing to learn new things here. So I got many questions in my group. Sir, we have completed the course which you created for the beginner, but now what's next? Right now the problem is all we have done is completed in the lab environment, which is quite necessary for a beginner. You cannot directly test on any live website because that's will be a, you can say, the problematic thing and the issue, and the main thing is you will not find any bug there, because the thing is those are more secure, those are not vulnerable like DVWA and the Metasploitable. Main question is now what next? We have completed the basic in the understanding of course, we have completed the basic video series. Now we wanted to move further, we wanted to get more knowledge in this particular field. So for that, what can be the approach should be taken, what approach should be taken by us for moving further? Well, that's why I have created this particular video only for those who are willing to push themselves for the right direction and for the right opportunity. So well, let's see. So after your lab environment practice, you can move further by practice more and more, right? You have to practice more and more. So for practice, what you can do, you can go to HackerOne website. If you are not aware about the HackerOne, let me show you. 1 second. So yeah, this is HackerOne. So simply Google HackerOne and yeah. So this is HackerOne website. So what you can do, you can simply create your account here, click on start hacking and you can create your account there. And after creating your account, you will get many websites for practicing, right? Those are the programs which they offer, and you can hunt bug on their website, and if you find any valid bug, they will provide you bounties in return. So well, so you can practice here and you will find thousands of websites in HackerOne, right? Now moving ahead again. Now first is HackerOne, next is Bugcrowd. Bugcrowd is also very famous crowdsourcing platform for the hackers and the web application security researcher. So for Bugcrowd, you can simply search Bugcrowd and go to the website. Simply create your account by going to the, you can see the right top corner, researcher portal. Click on the researcher portal and sign up. After sign up, you will get access to your dashboard, and there you can find thousands of programs and companies. They are offering their platform for security researcher to hunt for the bug. So you can simply go there and you can find bug there. You can practice more and more, and if you are able to find any valid bug there, simply report there, and in return again you will get bounty here. So that's why it's very important. Bug hunting is only thing where while enhancing your skill, in return you will get money, right? In other form of training, in other domains of information security or any kind of security or software development or anything other than bug hunting, if you want to invest your time in learning, so you have to give your money for training. But in bug hunting, if you practice more and more, that means you are investing your time in learning, and in return you are getting bounties, right? So that's the very interesting thing about the bug hunting. And now moving further, first is HackerOne, second is Bugcrowd, and then we have NCIIPC. People ask me now, what is NCIIPC? So let's go to the website. NCIIPC. So that means National Critical Information Infrastructure Protection Center, right? So how it will help you in your journey. Basically, you can search for bugs in the government website. Yeah, government, you heard right, you heard it right, government website of Indian government, right? So if you find any valid bug, if you find any problem, any loophole in the government website, you can simply go to NCIAPC website and go to RVDP, responsible vulnerability disclosure, and you can simply report there, right? In return you will get a appreciation letter. Well, so I hope it's clear. Now moving ahead, so again, counting from the first, HackerOne, Bugcrowd, NCIAPC, then Google Bug Hunting Docs, right? So I don't know if you are aware or not about the Google Docs, but if we talk about the Google Docs, simply there are different types of Google Docs. So you can search here Google Bug Hunting Docs, GitHub, right? So you will find different link there. So this is very famous bug hunting docs. Go to simply Google Docs and you can find different docs here. So simply take anyone, like we are taking, let's say number 6, and then go to Google, Google, and just paste there. So with the help of docs, you will find different companies profile. You will find different websites which are offering bug hunting, which are offering some kind of responsible disclosure program. Different websites, you will find different websites which are running their own responsible disclosure program, right? So let's say if we talk about the Strongboxit, go to any of the website simply, and you can find their vulnerability disclosure policy there, and you can simply check the policy here, and if you find it's worth it, if they are providing some kind of bounty or anything in return, and if you are okay with their policy, simply you can hunt or you can find bugs on their website, and then you can submit that bug to them. And for the submission, you will find every details on their bug hunting, on their responsible disclosure program policy, right? Now, so counting from the starting, HackerOne, Bugcrowd, NCIAPC, Google Bug Hunting Docs. Now the thing is, what's next? Okay, these are the things where we can practice, but how we can practice if we are not able to find any bugs? We just completed the, you can say, the minimum requirement. We just completed the basic course of bug hunting, right? But we want to enhance our skills, then only we can hunt there. For practicing, we need something, right? For practice, we need something. For practice, we need those knowledge, right? Then only we can practice. Well, I understand. For that, what you can do, you can start practicing yourself, right? You can learn yourself. How you can learn? You can just use Google. Google is the open source platform where you can find anything. You can also find how to make a train, how to make an aeroplane, how to make a missile bomb, right? In Google you can find everything. So use Google for your learning, right? Also you can use different books. There are many different books for bug hunting. Let's say web application security, web security 101, Hacker's Handbook. There are many books, so you can read those books, right, and make your notes for better understanding. You can use Medium. If you are not familiar about Medium, it's a platform where different security researchers, not only security researchers, people, students from different background, they write their article, they share their knowledge on that platform. So you can use Medium. If you want me to demonstrate, let's wait 1 second. So in Medium, go to okay, So simply search Medium bug hunting, right? Whatever bug you want to find, you can simply go to Medium and search. So you can find, this is very interesting, you can say, the article which is talking about the hackers methodology, toolkit, tip-centric blogs, right? So you can find different blogs and many articles there, different books, what you need to do, right? How you can practice. These are the different books which I was talking about, Hacker 101, right? So you will find different things in the Medium. So just you need to search and find out those things. Now, but the problem is, you can do it by yourself, but you know, it will take almost 2 years to get the intermediate level knowledge, right? I am not talking about the expert. Even no one is expert, everyone is learning, because it's the field where you need to, because it's the such kind of field where we need to learn each and every day, right? But so I'm not talking about the experts. No one is expert. You will have to spend many years to become an expert. But for getting intermediate knowledge, if you follow these things, it will almost take 2 years, almost minimum 2 years it will take, right? So you can start learning from today only, and you can work for your self development, for your skill development from today only. I have shared many useful information here right now, so you can follow those steps. And if you need my help, I have something important for you right now. What you can do, if you want more help, right? You can enroll to my web threat hunting course. So if you are not familiar about my web threat hunting course, let me show you 1 second. So for that, just you need to go to Cyberot Academy. This is our academy, right? So go to Cyberot Academy, and this is web threat hunting course. So simply go there and you will find web threat hunter course. So this is the level 1 course, and you will find all the description here, right? And the best thing is, it is fully dynamic course. That means whatever we have right now, this will keep on updating every month, or might be every week. I am adding more and more use cases here, more and more videos here, right? So it's keep on updated. You do not need to buy another course for this particular level of skill set, right? So like you can see, there are different bugs, and the best thing is all are exploited on the live website. Like you can see live exploitation, right? Whatever I have shown here is demonstrated on the live website, not in the lab environment, right? That's the biggest thing here, because lab environment is different. But when you want to, if you want to hunt on live website, you need another level of skill set, right? You know what I mean, right? Because lab environment is already set up in such a way that the people should come here and exploit those environment. But in the live website, it's quite difficult. So that's why I have taken all the live websites here for demonstration, and I am keep on updating the things here. Like you can see, there are Zoom classes, also live Zoom classes, right? And different things to be added soon. So the thing is, you can enroll to this course, and the price is $997 now, right? Once you enroll, you will get into my team, my Cyberot Academy. You will be in my inner circle, right? For inner circle, we have private groups, private WhatsApp, private Telegram and Signal groups, right? So there we are keep on updating ourselves, we share knowledge, right? That's the private group actually. And we do have the weekend live hunting class, weekend QA classes, right? And apart from that, you will get free study materials there, because I'll share some of the things which you require for your bug hunting journey. Only not the methodology. I'll guide you in each and every step how you can start your journey, not only in bug hunting, also in cybersecurity, right? Because bug hunting is the one field and we have different fields in cybersecurity. You will get knowledge of all the fields and of all the fields about this, all the fields of the cybersecurity, right? You will also get the help in your placement preparation. We do have some classes for the placement preparation who are in college, who want to improve themselves, not only in term of the technical part, in term of the presentation part, how you can give interview, how you can be more presentable during your interviews, how you can express yourself. Because the thing is, even though if you have lots of knowledge, but during that 5 to 10 minute of interview starting time, if you are not able to express your knowledge, you will not get the job, right? That's the problem most of the people will face during their interview time. So once I was of your age also, so I know all these problems. That's why I am focusing on those things. Then again, I said about the private group, right? But the thing is, I know you have completed my free course here. That means you are very much interested in learning, right? I know you are very much interested in learning. You want to explore more skills. You want to explore more things. You want to go in this field. You want to go in cybersecurity. You want to enhance your skill set, right? I know that thing. That's why you are here. That's the reason you are watching What's Next video here, right? So keeping that in my mind, I am going to offer you coupon, but just you need to promise me you will give your 100%. You will give your 101%, not actually 101% in learning, right? If you are willing to learn, if you are ready to give your 101%, then you can use my coupon PROMISE40, right? What you will get after using this coupon PROMISE40, simply if you go to my website, here you can see the cost is 997, and while buying this particular course you can use my coupon PROMISE40, and after applying that particular coupon you will get 40% off. That means the cost is less than 600, right? Just in return, I need your promise. You have to promise me you will give your 100% in learning, right? So that's all from my end, right? I'm waiting for you in my next live QA session. I'm waiting for the day when we will work together, we will hunt together, and when I'm waiting for the day also when you will ask some your doubts in my live class, right? So see you there. See you in my live session. See you in our private group. I hope one day you will be able to get your dream job. You will be able to get the 4-figure bounties in bug hunting. So that's all from my end, and thank you everyone once again for watching this series, and I hope in future we will be together and we will be doing hunting together. We will be upgrading our skills together, right? So see you there. Bye then. Keep working hard. Keep up the good work, and all the best for your future journey. Thank you and have a nice day. See you soon. Bye.